If the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte does make it to the Senate, how will the trial pan out? Mian Los Baños with that story.
Well planned yan, well planned. Kaya we are preparing for the worst.
This is Senator Bato de la Rosa's reaction to the question on whether or not he thinks there's really a plot to overthrow Vice President Sara Duterte. That's why he also believes even if VP Sara faces the probe and explains in Congress about her office's confidential fund spending, moves to impeach her will continue.
Sabi nga lang, kakapalabas lang yung text ng presidente nung araw na ito, kinabukasan, nandun na sila, nag-file na sila kaagad, lukuhin nila yung pagong.
This early, De La Rosa is expecting the impeachment complaint to reach the Senate, even if President Bongbong Marcos says it's not that important at the moment.
Totoo talaga yun, hindi lang yung for show or for para panghugas kamay no na text. Kung hindi yung panghugas kamay, sana may epekto. Maramdaman natin yung epekto. Kahit na sabihin man natin na panghihimasok sa trabaho ng legislative, pero kung meron siyang unofficial control over these people, maramdaman natin through the actions ng mga taga-House of Representatives.
16 votes are needed to impeach an official, and because there are 23 senators at the moment, VP Sara's allies will just need 8 not guilty or abstain votes for VP Sara to keep her post. Meanwhile, according to Senate President Chis Escudero, the upper chamber has yet to prepare for an impeachment trial.
Hindi, dahil ayokong i-assume yung mga mangyayari at ayokong pangunahan, one way or the other. Dahil pag sinabi ko maghanda na, magsimula na kayo, ready, get set, pero wala pang go, baka isipin ako'y pumapabor o kumikiling sa paghahain o pagsampa.
But former Senate President Mig Zubiri believes many of his fellow senators do not want impeachment for any official at the moment.
It's going to be very divisive. I know I'm supposed to not talk about the impeachment, but in my heart, is this what we want so close to the elections? Sana walang gulo, kasi ayaw po natin ng gulo at this point in time. Gusto ko po nga namin ceasefire muna at this point in time.
Reporting for News 5, Mian Los Baños, We Are One News.